Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shira. I am a personal trainer and an online health coach, and this channel is all about well-being, recipes, and so much more. So if you'd like, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and don't forget to like this video after you've seen it. So as you have seen from the title, this video is all about this coffee that's been all over the media. It has been called DALGONA coffee, I think that's what it's called. It's been called the amazing frothy coffee. I don't know what it's called, but it's amazing, okay? I posted it yesterday on my Instagram and I got so many questions. What is this? How do I make it? Recipe. So I decided to make a quick and short tutorial how to make this delicious, frothy, creamy, deluxe coffee that only takes 30 minutes. So the great thing about this is it's only 3 ingredients. The bad thing is that your arm will probably fall off in the middle. So all you're going to need is some instant coffee, 2 tablespoons. You're gonna need some sugar, so you need 2 tablespoons of sugar. Yesterday I used coconut sugar, today I'm using just some brown sugar. And so the next step is just to add 2 tablespoons of really hot water. And then you stir. It's 11:40 now. That's not gonna focus. It's 11:40 now. Let's see how long this takes me. So you're basically gonna be doing this for 20 minutes until half an hour. And so I'm gonna put some Netflix on just so I can pass the time. It smells so good. So it would be a lot easier for you if you have a whisk, but I don't have a whisk, so I'm doing it the old-fashioned way. It's okay, it's an arm workout. So it's been 5 minutes and it's kind of like a lighter brown, if you can see that. And we're gonna keep stirring until it becomes like peanut butter. I'm pretty sure my arm is about to fall off, but we're gonna keep stirring. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. It's starting to become kind of like the color of peanut butter, but not the consistency we need yet. This is what we want. This is the consistency. Oh my god, look at that. Beautiful. So what you're gonna need now is just ice, a lot of it. Any type of milk that you want. I'm using oat milk. I've also tried it with almond milk and it came out really good. And now you're just gonna scoop up this beautiful, gooey, creamy deliciousness into your cup. Last step would be to use your reusable straw, obviously. Who uses plastic straws anymore? And just mix that beauty up. It's really, really strong, so if you don't like strong coffee, this might not be for you. But other than that, it's so good. It takes about half an hour, but what else are you gonna do during this quarantine? Go ahead and try it at home. If you make it, please tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see you guys make it and hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time.